Last wicket, 2 runs. Bimo to Uttam. Beautiful shot played down the offside straight to the fielder. Match is tie. Score levels. Bimo to Mohan. Umpire ध्यान देवे boundary आगे टिके. Beautiful ball. Straight to the fielder. Bimo to Mohan to Bimo. Beautiful delivery. Played defensively. Another dot ball for Bimo and plus 2 secondary signs. Beautiful ball. बेहतरीन गेंदबाजी का नमूना पेश करते हुए यहाँ पर Bimo to Mohan. 1 more runs to win. Beautiful shot, played down the leg side. Plus 2 pasture signs wins. दुईटा कैप्टन को मैं अनुरोध करছি ସେମାନେ ଆସିବେ ଏବଂ ସାଇନ୍ କରିବେ। ଦୁଇଟା कैप्टन निशान and